Hello children, in this session we are learning about different properties of rational numbers. In case of integers, whole numbers and natural numbers, you have learnt about different common properties of them. Which are the properties? Commutative property, associative property and distributive property. Same properties we are learning for rational numbers also. So, we will take the property. In place of the variables, we will put the values of rational numbers and check whether left hand side is equal to the right hand side here. Okay. So, what is commutative property? For all, this is symbol for all. For all means you take any example of the rational number. It should be applicable. If it is for, you are checking for integers. Okay. For all means for all integers. Any example you take, any number you take, the property should be proper. Then only we say the property holds good or the property is applicable. Okay. So, for all, AB belonging to set of rational numbers. Q means set of rational numbers. A and B are two variables. Means any two rational numbers we can take here. A plus B equal to B plus A and A into B equal to B into A. So, this commutative property is not applicable for subtraction and division. Because when we take two rational numbers and subtract them, A and B, if you interchange and again on the right hand side you subtract them, answers will not be equal. Answers will not be same. So, let us try with one example for all the four properties, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, whether this property is going right or in which condition this property holds good here. To check that, we have to take two rational numbers, put the values for left hand side, put the values for right hand side separately. Then check the answers. If the answer for both the sides, if it is same, then the property is right or the property holds good, we say. If not, then the property does not hold good here. Now, let us take examples here. Let A equal to 1 by 2, one rational number. B equal to minus 2 by 3. This is second rational number. Let us check all the four operations here. First one, A plus B is LHS here. Yes. So, it is 1 by 2 plus second rational number is minus 2 by 3. So, this is equal to LCM is 6 here. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3. LCM is 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4. Or even you can apply the butterfly method. Okay. And find the value here. Okay. So, this is equal to minus 1 by 6 is the answer for left hand side. Let us try for right hand side. Same. What is right hand side? B plus A. B plus A equal to, interchange them. Minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2 here. Now apply the butterfly method and find it easily here. This is equal to 2 2s are minus 4. 3 1s are 3 here. 3 2s are 6. Then minus 4 plus 3. The answer is again minus 1 by 6. So, left hand side and right hand side both are same here. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Okay. Commutative property, writing short form here, holds good for addition of rational numbers. Yes. So, here commutative property holds good here. So, let us check for subtraction, multiplication and division of the rational numbers. Now, for subtraction, let A be any value here, minus 1 by 3 and B equal to minus 4 by 5. So, two rational numbers we have taken here. Now, let us check LHS for subtraction, A minus B. So, what is A minus B here? A is minus 1 by 3. This is subtraction of the expression. Now, this is subtraction of the value minus 4 by 5 here. Now this is equal to minus 1 by 3, minus and minus will be plus 4 by 5. Again apply the butterfly method. Multiply. 5 ones are minus 5, 3 fours are 12. Multiply these two. This is 15 minus 5. This is plus 12. What is the answer here? 1 plus 1 minus, you have to subtract. Big number sign is plus. So 12 minus 5 is 7 by 15. Now this is left hand side. Let us check RHS. That is B minus A. B is minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Again multiply these two. This is minus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Yes. Again butterfly. This is equal to 5 ones are 5. Minus 4 into 3 is minus 12. So the value is minus 12 plus 5 by 15. What is the answer now? Again plus and minus you have to subtract. Big number is minus. Minus 7 by 15. Now plus 7 by 15 and minus 7 by 15 are not equal. That is why LHS is not equal to RHS here. If LHS and RHS are not equal, then this property is not holding good for commutative property of rational numbers. So that is why for subtraction and even for division, the property doesn't hold good for commutative property. Now let us try one example for multiplication of commutative property for multiplication. Okay. So again LHS A into B here. So I am taking the value of A as 3 by 4 and B as 5 by say 9. Okay. Now multiply. A into B equal to left hand side 3 by 4 into 5 by 9. How will you multiply? If possible you can cancel the numerator and denominator. Last year you have studied this. Okay. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. This is equal to 5 ones are 5 by 4 threes are 12 here. Same how you are solving for fractions, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. Similar rules we are following along with integer rules. Okay. So the answer is 5 by 12. Let us try for RHS. B into A. This is 5 by 9 into 3 by 4. Again what can we do here? We can cancel. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 5 ones are 5 by 3 fours are 12. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. LHS equal to RHS. When it is equal, then what we can conclude here? Commutative property holds good for multiplication. Yes. So this is how we can verify here. Now let us try one example even for division. Now let us try one example for division also. Let A equal to minus 3 by 8 and B equal to say 9 by 36. Okay, two rational numbers we have taken here. Try it for division. A divided by B, first one. Minus 3 by 8 divided by 9 by 36. How we are dividing two fractions? What is the main change we have to make here? We have to reciprocal the second fraction for the next step. Okay. This is equal to minus 3 by 8 into 36 by 9 here. Reciprocal the second one. Now can we cancel here? 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. 3 12s are 36. We can cancel it again. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Now we cannot cancel more. Okay. This is equal to 3 1s are 3 by 2 1s are 2. Now this is left hand side, LHS. Similarly try for RHS. What will be RHS? Reverse this. It will be B by A. Okay. So first comes the second fraction now, divided by the first fraction. Now we have to reciprocal this fraction. Okay. This is 9 by 36 into minus 8 by 3 or 8 by minus 3. This minus 3, whether you take it for numerator or denominator, the whole fractions become negative only. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Here one minus sign here of this. Then 4 2s are 8, 4 9s are 36. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now what is the answer? 2 1s are 2 by minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Now LHS is minus 3 by 2 and RHS is 2 by minus 3. So what is the conclusion? LHS not equal to RHS. When LHS and RHS are not equal, then the property doesn't hold good for the rational numbers.